Hi, my name is Serena Sepersky. I'm a junior in high school. I've been with River Springs for about 10 years now or so. I just committed to UNLV, full ride golf scholarship. Really excited about that, and I've won a couple Toyota Tour Cups, which are like major leagues, and then placed second in an AJGA. Basically every day I'm up at 5. Sometimes if I have to early morning practice, I will practice at 6 a.m., play golf until, let's say, noon, and then come back and do school. And River Springs is really great because I can manage my day and my time so well. And even now, I'm taking a couple college classes. I can just keep on moving forward and progressing. My experience with Springs Charter is I have always loved it. Teachers are amazing. If I need tutoring, questions, anything, they're just always there. Springs Charter Schools has been amazing. I've been challenged, I've excelled, and I love it so much.